So in 2003, when I first got licensed, I used a logging program called WinLog32. And I've just been looking at club log software, the amount of loggers that people use, and it still rates quite highly, is that people are actually using WinLog32. So, okay, well, I've downloaded it, so let's run the installation, see what happens. I accept WinLog32. It wants to put it in F. We can browse, or I guess we could just type D. Whatever. Install. And let's have a look at it. Next. Launch. Woohoo. Do you want to make your first log? Yes, please. Enter your call sign. Ooh. Which one do I use? M0XXT. There we are. Allow. Right. So now it won't know anything, will it? Won't know. Presumably we can control a radio and things like that. Well, we'll have a look. Options, settings. I'm guessing. Oh, here we go. We get everything. Change user. Okay. Auto user, remote database, rotor, real-time search, function keys, backup, time. This might take me a while, but we're gonna connect. Rigs, yeah. Kenwood 1 or Kenwood 2. Let's have a look. Settings, COM4, I know. I wonder if it's finding settings. I know it's COM4. Oh, advanced. Baud rate. Has it got a baud rate? Settings. Baud rate. Here we are. 11,500. Stop bits to comport. Can we say yes? That'll work. Rig. Apply. Apply. Cancel. Initialize. There we are. Woohoo. We're on. Why is it not changing? I've just spun up. Oh, there we are. It's working now. Oh, that's quite smooth. Okay, good. Right. So let's. Okay, so that gives us a little. Oh, I see. So we can go up and down. Oh, right. Oh, 2, 4. Okay. This would work for me. SSB. Yeah. VFO A and B. Okay. There's my B. There's my A. Right, okay, so let's attempt. I've got my database, there it is there, file, we've got import. You know, this is quite easy. Import from F, download. I could move this, oh yeah, everything, M0-M0XXT, is it? Yeah. It's quite good fun, this, isn't it? But the point is, if you've just started out, or you go, oh, I don't know, I'm in between logs, you know, I've got Ham Radio Deluxe, Log40M, and you wanted, because I used to run this on a really, really slow machine, and it works, you see. So if you've got a really crappy machine, could be an option. Let's just finish this loading, and we'll have another chat in a minute. Okay, so it's read 40,068 QSOs, completed in 58 seconds. Import now. I guess we hit import. Here we go. Okay, so that's the count up over here, 78, 80. We've got to get to 40,000. So, I think I'll go make a cup of tea or something. Okay, that's just over an hour. Actually, it says 40:20 right now. So it says it's all done, so I can shut that down. Okay, right, so I've got ARCP running. It's the same as, you know, doing this on the front panel because my Kenwood is on the LAN, right? And WinLog32 is on a serial port. So if I move that, everything will change. Look. That's nice and swish, isn't it? I'm just looking at the WinLog32. Anyway, right, so let's, what do we do? Maximize this, make it a bit bigger, Put in a couple of fake. Oh, right. Okay. Okay. Oh, all right. Good. I don't know any of this. I can't remember how it works. So what? I don't know what. Is it going from the top to the bottom? Oh, we're at the bottom now. Oh, okay. Every time I click one of these, it comes up on the left. Okay, let's move this. Let's get rid of ARCP. Right? Let's get rid of all this stuff. I don't know what's going on here. I've got my rotator going on here. I was listening to some fellow. Okay, we can leave that. Put it over here. Okay. So, all right. Oh, it's pretty good. So, I assuming I could edit it. Edit. Yeah. Testing. Enter. Enter. Log. Enter. End. 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 There we are. Log. Okay. Where's he gone now then? Well, I'll do it with James. And okay, yeah, go straight in. All right, so let's do a test log. I'll make up. I better not. Fox for ABC. Tab. Start time. Okay. Mode. Power. Can I overwrite that? 100. Okay. Port in and out. Okay. So, well, 59, let's just say. Well, 57. I'm just, I don't know what I'm doing. All right. Remarks. This is a test. End. Okay, there he went in. So band and mode didn't go in auto magically. Why is that then? Have I got something? Do I double click that? Oh, you'll work it out. I can load my log or a previous log. All right, let's just have some fun, see what other options there are. We go file, station location. Oh, okay, this is where you'd put all your Echo India. Select.log. Name, Callum. All right, okay. File, maintenance, latest updates. Well, we've just done that. Import, export, logbook of the world manager. Okay, that's pretty cool. Whatever. Right, window. Okay, show missing windows in case you've accidentally hidden them. It's search for stuff, IOTAs, grid squares, options setting, speed log, auto reports. We probably need that, don't we? Options, contest. Oh, okay, so you can do basic contesting. Sounds odd, real time. Logging interface, ham scope. Map enable. Oh, I see. Oh, we got a little map, look. Options. Auto display. This is DXCC by the look of it. Reports. Oh, okay. Band map. What does that do? Don't know. Reports. WPX report. You're discovering with me. Okay, that's what we're doing. DXCC view. So these are my DXCCs. Right, how do we get back to the log? Escape. WinLog, do I shut that down? There, I shut it down there. Database, yeah, okay. Call books, online subscriptions. Okay, so you could be QRZ and all that sort of stuff. Yeah, rigs. We've got Kenwood, ICOM, DX cluster. It's already got tools. We've got a little notepad. Do you know what they used to be? I seem to remember they used to be. Is this it? Net on off. Here we go. So M0XXT. How do we do this? I can add someone in. MM0RMY. Oh, there he is there. And then Do I just add another one? M0YOM. Okay, here's my little net. Well, I mean, that's basically how it does. So if you're starting out and I'm not starting to pay all this money out for a basic logbook and I don't want to run a piece of paper, that might be an option. I would like to look at, what's it called? Log4OM. That gets quite a good look as well, because if you go to Clublog, here we go, clublog.org/software.php. So if you want to know what other people are using, right, there is Log4OM. This is, well, read the top. The table below shows the various logging software products have been detected by Clublog this month. Okay, so Logger32, 26%. This one here, N3FJP Amateur Contact Log, never heard of it. Log4OM, DXCC, Ham Radio Deluxe. And if we go down, this is the software that's using Clublog's API, right? So Log4OM just sort of keeps OM2, okay, and OM, it must be two versions of it. So there is a lot of software out there, but if you just wanted to log something and then go, not quite sure, log 100, right? Log 200. You can always export it and put it anywhere you like, or you could just use QRZ. That's the point. And then once you are kind of up and running, you'll be able to think to yourself, okay, I want something a little bit more fully featured, I don't know, whatever, fancy rig control and scopes and DX clusters and everything. But I think that WinLog32, I ran it for about 3 or 4 years when I first started. So there we are. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye for now.